Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be reviewing the Makartt Seasonal Concertos kit. It comes with 16 colors, a brush with one-sided brush, one-sided scraper, a nail file, and the base and top coat. I will be doing my own nails today. It's not really a tutorial, it's more so of a watch me work, but I do try and show you guys step by step what I do. This kit also comes with dual forms. These forms are not too curved, they are more so straight, but I won't be using them in today's video, but I thought, I would just try and show you how they are. So here are the swatches. I'll have all the colors listed in the description box, the top row and the bottom row, but if you just want to get a look at them, get an idea, they're very pretty colors. Nice little variation. So today I'll be using the brown, which is 1615, and I will be using the nude, which is 1605. I will be using also a dapping dish filled with some acetone, these nail tips in Young Nails Protein Bond. So I went ahead and did my right hand first because I'm actually right-handed, so this is a challenge for me, and this was my first time ever completing my right hand, so I'm super proud of myself. Thank you very much. Yeah, they're just done and filed. I didn't put any top coat. I went ahead and prepped my nails already. If you guys want to see a video of how I prep my nails, I can definitely put that, in a future video. I do apologize. A lot of my videos that I realized I was out of frame. So please bear with me. This is my first video and I'm trying out here. Okay. Yeah, a lot of it I had to cut because it was just completely out of frame and nobody wants to watch a video where you can barely see anything. So, yeah. Right here, I'm just trying to get it as close to my cuticle as possible without being on the skin. I'm going to be doing a French nail tip. I should have mentioned that, but I'm sure you can tell. So yeah, this is my first time ever using polygel. They're very easy to work with, give you a lot of control. I did try actually I saw some videos where girls use the base coat as a slip solution because this kit does not come with its own slip solution, so you kind of have to like find your own. I tried it with my thumb and it wasn't bad, but I like the acetone way more. Like I know some people use alcohol. I'm gonna also try that. And if I ever do a kit that does come with its own slip solution, then I'll definitely try the slip solution. So after I get the nail shaped how I want it, I cure it for 30 seconds. And then I'm going in and just filing to perfect the smile line. And you want to make sure you have some type of height to it. So when you put the second color, all you have to do is file away and it'll be perfect. So I went and I sprayed the nail with some alcohol just to get the dust away and prepare it for the next step. I went ahead and added another layer of the base coat and cured that before adding the second color to my polygel. To my nail with the polygel. So this part, it doesn't have to be perfect because again, you're going to file it away, but you do want it to be even as possible and as neat as possible, but kind of still messy, if that makes sense. Like, it don't have to be perfect, but it needs to look cute. So make sure you do that. So right here, I'm just trying to, again, I do apologize for being out of frame, but I've been procrastinating on posting a video, so I was like, let me just do it. Like, I'm definitely going to try and perfect the angle and, get all that stuff better. So right here, you see me taking my nail file that came with the kit and just filing away the extra color that is on top of the nude. So I do eventually go in with my Melodysusie Scarlet drill to just get a more even finish, I guess. I think I was getting tired using the hand file, but I did want to show that it is possible to just use a nail file if that's all you have, if you don't have a drill, because I definitely go back in with the nail file after using my drill. But yeah, that's what we're doing here. Just trying to make sure it's as smooth and cute and defined. So as you can see, I'm just going in, spraying it with alcohol just so I can see, like, as I'm working, how much more I need to file, which areas need, because when you have all the dust on the nails, you can't see. So it definitely makes it easier. So right now I'm just actually shaping up the nail. I got it filed down to my liking. And I'm just, yeah. I only showed myself doing one nail because I didn't want this video to be super long. And it actually did take me quite a long time because it's a French style. And it was my first time using polygel, so I definitely took longer than usual. So I didn't want to have a hour-long video on me just trying to perfect the style. But here's how the nails came out. I really love it, and I hope you subscribe, join the fam, and return to the next video. Bye.